Good morning students. Welcome back to EVS class. I hope all are good. Dear students, these days we are studying about adaptations in animals. Adaptations in animals. Okay. In previous class we learned adaptations in desert animals. Okay. Today let us learn adaptations in animals living in grasslands. Okay. You know already about grasslands. Look surroundings. Okay students, grasslands are there, okay, field area, जो खेतों, okay, herbivorous animals are there, plant eating animals like cow, buffalo and other animals. Okay students, so like that in forest area, grasslands are there. Okay students, so herbivorous animals are coming there. Okay students, to eat from grasslands, they eat plant eating animals. Okay, they eat plant and plant materials. Okay students, like deer, cow, buffalo, zebra, many animals are there. Okay students, then carnivorous animals also will be there. Why? They are flesh eating animals. They eat other animals. Okay students, they want to catch these herbivorous animals. Okay students, so these animals living in open spaces. Okay, animals such as deer, wild dogs, foxes, lions, tiger and cheetah are living in these open spaces, open grasslands. Okay students, see, they are adapted to live in open spaces. Okay students, then their strong legs help them to cover long distances. Their strong legs help them to cover long distances. बहुत दूर दूर दौड़ के जाने के लिए उसको हेल्प करता है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज हेर्बिवोरस एनिमल्स सर्चिंग फूड एंड वाटर, ऑल्सो कार्निवोरस एनिमल्स वांटेड टू हंट देम. ओके, दे ईट दीज हेर्बिवोरस एनिमल्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, समझिए, यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. नाउ द बॉडी कलर. ओके, लेट अस लर्न अबाउट द बॉडी कलर. देयर बॉडी कलर मर्ज विद द कलर ऑफ ड्राई ग्रास. Students, when you get time, you can watch the Discovery channel. You can see dry grass. Okay, brown color grass are there. Then what is the specialty? Their body color. These animals' body color merge with the color of dry grass. दोनों का color एक ही. Understand? See the color of lion, brown color. Color of deer, brown color. Almost. Okay students, so their body color merges with the color of dry grass. Understand students? Why? What is the reason? Colors help them to escape from the enemy. जो ड्राई ग्रास है, ब्राउन कलर ग्रास है, इसके बीच में ये खड़े हो गया तो कोई दिखेगा नहीं. They can escape from the enemy. Understand students? This helps animals such as deer to escape from their enemies and animals such as lions and tiger to remain unnoticed till the prey is close enough to hunt. Understand students? So these carnivorous animals wanted to hunt these herbivorous animals. अगर ये लायन खड़े हो गए तो कोई किसी को समझ नहीं आएगा, unnoticed, इसको notice नहीं करेगा. Understand students? So they can catch the prey. Understand students? So till the prey is close enough to hunt. तो जो prey है, जो herbivorous animals है, उसके पास जाके चुपचाप जाके they can catch them. Understand students? दोनों का कलर एक ही. Understand? Almost, सबका नहीं है. Okay? So they also have keen sense of smell and sharp eyesight. They also have keen sense of smell. इसको smell मिल जाता है. अगर animals कहीं ना कहीं है तो they can smell. Okay, here they can smell. Understand students? Then sharp eyesight, बहुत दूर से उसको दिख सकता है, बहुत दूर से उसको दिख सकता है, तो वो एक means हिरण means deer is there, cow is there, buffalo is there. Then sense of smell, कौन सा animal है, खड़े, ये smell मिल जाता है. Understand students? This is the means they are adapted in grasslands. Understand students? Okay, can you able to understand? It is very interesting chapter now. So students, let us learn about the cold regions. Okay students, adaptations in animals living in cold regions. You know about the cold regions, no? Polar regions. Okay students, the polar regions of the earth ice covered area and as throughout the year साल पूरा ice extremely cold, बहुत ठंड and as students पूरा ice पूरा बर्फ पड़ा हुआ है, means पूरा ice है, full of covered with the ice throughout the year साल पूरा and as students few plants grow in the regions. Okay, उधर few plants है, बहुत कम plants है and food become very scarce in winter. Okay, few plants are there, then food become very scarce in winter. जो winter season आएगा तो food भी नहीं मिलेगा. And as students see extremely cold and ice covered throughout the year. Then food becomes very scarce in winter. Food become very scarce in winter. Winter time food मिलेगा नहीं. Understand students? Then polar bears, Arctic foxes and penguins live in such regions comfortably. कौन-कौन से animals है students? Polar bears, Arctic fox and penguins. They are living there comfortably. They can able to live there. Understood because of their body features. Okay. Then students, these animals are adapted to live in extremely cold condition. They can able to live there in the condition of extremely cold. Their body features are adapted to live in that places. Okay students, now let us learn about the polar bear. Students, polar bear, thick layer of hollow hair. You know already the coat of hair. हम ऐसे कोट पहनता है, ऐसे भी वो भी कोट है. Understand students? Coat of hair, पूरा बाल. Understand students? Polar bear. The polar bear which lives in the north polar region or the Arctic region is a good example to understand how animals are adapted to live in this habitat. Okay, they are good example how they can able to live there. Okay students, they are adapted to live there. Okay students, their body is covered with a thick layer of hollow hair that traps air and keeps the bear warm. Okay, their body is full of hair. Okay, it keeps them warm. Then thick layer of fat below the skin के नीचे thick layer of fat. Understand students? This is also keep them warm. Okay students, these body features keep the bear comfortably warm even when the temperature goes below 30 degrees Celsius in winter. अगर विंटर में -30 डिग्री सेल्सियस, ओके, बहुत माइनस में गया तो भी, ओके, -30 डिग्री सेल्सियस मीन्स बहुत ठंड है. ओके, आइस कवर्ड एरिया है, कुछ भी हो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इस एरिया में इस एक्सट्रीम द कंडीशन ऑफ एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड, इतना बड़ा ठंड में इसको कंफर्टेबली जी सकता है बिकॉज ऑफ देयर बॉडी फीचर. ओके, दे हैव लेयर ऑफ हेयर. अंडरस्टैंड? देयर body is full of covered with hair. It keeps them warm under the skin. Okay, thick layer of fat below the skin. ये जो skin का नीचे thick layer of fat है, ये भी उसको गर्म देता है. Understand students? Then the polar bear is good swimmer. Okay, the polar bear is a good swimmer. This adaptation helps to catch seals for food. Okay, seal means it is a water animal. Okay students, this polar bear is a good swimmer. पानी में जाके seal को पकड़ कर खा सकता है. Okay students, then when ice melt in warmer months. Okay students, जब warm आ जाएगा, understand this ice started to melt, ice melt हो जाएगा, then this polar bear can to swim in the water area, then catch the seals and eat. Understand students? ये उनका food. Okay, sleeps long time under conserve energy. Okay students, when an animal is awoke and moving, okay, it uses more energy. जब ये उड़ता है, चलता है, तो एनर्जी ज़्यादा वेस्ट हो जाएगी, उधर फूड ज़्यादा मिलता नहीं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फूड बहुत कम मिलता है, तो ये जब चल पड़ेगा, मूव, they will start to move. Understand? It is an animal, no? But one more adaptation. Okay, the energy is obtained from the food the animal eats. Okay, the energy is obtained from the food the animals जो खाता है उसमें से उसको एनर्जी मिलता है. Okay, the temperature in the Arctic region is very low. Okay, the temperature very low, extreme cold. Okay students, and food is very difficult to find. बहुत मुश्किल है, बिकॉज students you know already few plants are there, only they get seals and some small animals are there. Okay, the polar bear, so food is very difficult to get to eat. Okay, especially in winter season. Winter season में जो पानी ocean area है पूरा ice हो जाएगा. Understand students? Then these ये क्या करते हो students? The polar bear sleeps for about 8 hours and conserve energy. So long time sleeping के लिए जाता है. Okay, at least 8 hours. Okay students, ये जाकर सो जाता है तो इसका एनर्जी ज़्यादा वेस्ट नहीं हो जाएगा. Understand students? You can able to live long. Understand students? Okay. Now let us learn about penguins. Body is covered with a fine layer of feathers. उसका body like it is a bird, like bird. Okay, ये bird पूरा शरीर पूरा क्या है? Layer of feathers. Understand students? It have wings. Layer of fat below the skin. इसका भी skin का नीचे fat. It keeps them warm. Okay students? This helps them to warm. Layer of feather and below the skin. Below the skin they have fat. Okay? Layer of fat below the skin. Then adapted to live in ice cold water. इतना कोल्ड वाटर में उसको आराम से जी सकता है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट? they can live there comfortably, no problem, because of their body feature. Body is covered with feathers, layer of feather. Okay students? Then fat below the skin. Understand students? This helps them to keep warm. Okay, adapted to live in ice cold water. Then flipper like wings and stream lined bodies. Okay, उसका body आपने okay, you can watch the TV. Okay, I think you can see it in the TV. Okay, and in the YouTube. Adapted to live in ice cold water. Okay, flipper like wings. इसका है ना flipper like wings. Okay, and streamlined bodies. Streamlined bodies. Then this make them excellent swimmer. Okay, their flipper like wings and streamlined body help them to make them excellent swimmer. इसका बॉडी फीचर का कारण उसको स्विम करना आराम से स्विम कर सकता है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? सो दीज स्पेशलिटीज हेल्प देम टू live in the extreme cold conditions. Okay, let us learn once again students. Grasslands, okay, adapted to live in open spaces. Okay, strong legs cover long distances. उसका strong legs है help them to cover long distances. Then body color works with the color of dry grass. Okay, then colors help them to escape from the enemy. Then carnivores also helpful, they can catch the prey. Sense of smell and sharp, they have sense of smell. Sharp, they have also sense of smell and sharp eyesight. बहुत दूर से दिख सकता है. Then what are the example? Deer, wild dogs, lions and cheetahs. Okay students. Now see this cold regions, polar regions. Okay students. Then extremely cold and ice covered area. Extremely cold and ice covered area throughout the year. Okay, food becomes very scarce in winter. Winter time में food मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. So what they are doing? They are going to long sleep. Okay, then polar bear, thick layer of hollow hair. Okay, thick layer of fat below the skin. This keep them warm. Okay, एक गर्म रहता है. Good swimmer. Polar bear is a good swimmer. They can catch the seals in the water. Then catch seals for food, sleeps long time and conserves energy. Catch seals and conserve energy. Understand student? Long time sleep के लिए जाता है तो energy इसको waste नहीं हो जाएगा. Then penguins, body is covered with a layer of feathers. Then layer of fat below the skin. Okay, adapted to live in ice cold water. Ice cold water में उसको आराम से ले सकता है, no problem. Flipper like wings and streamlined bodies make them excellent swimmer. Understand students? Okay. Now students, you can read the chapter. Okay, page number 236 and 37. Okay, good. Bye.